The last couple days have been pretty stressful. We're gonna get into that in just a little bit. But thank you to Riley for starting the vlog because I didn't even know where to start. So I guess that's how we're starting. So there's a lot of exciting things happening on the channel this week, but it's kind of annoying because everything is backed up because the Porsche engine is still taking up the garage, and the engine is pretty much ready to go back in the car, but before I can even do that, I have to pull the transmission, and it's a huge mess. But we've unlocked a new character. Hey guys. This is Colby. He's gonna be my new roommate this year because Jason moved out, and then we will have another roommate later this year that's replacing Chan. But in the meantime, we got to fix this situation. Oh yeah, what?
I'm also here.
Yeah, well, you've been in like every video, so be quiet. The main goal in the next video about the Porsche is going to be to get all the remaining components onto the engine and then just clean all the stuff out of the garage. Or not out, but like get the table folded up and everything, so that way I can pull the Mustang into the garage. But in the meantime, we're going to be working on the Mustang outside, and I have some maintenance things that I need to do today because it's starting to fall apart. What, are you going to cry?
Yeah.
Look at her. So in the last episode, I went up to Washington for a car meet. I didn't actually show the car meet, but I then spent a couple days at my parents' house just kind of spending time for my birthday, which, by the way, if you guys wish me a happy birthday on Instagram, thank you so much. I definitely appreciated that. But on my way back down from the car meet, my check engine light came on. So we've got some things to service on this car. That's just my luck, boys. It's just my luck. Dude, I'm an idiot. I forgot the oil drain pan thing.
Oh, you're no, you're not. I got another piece of one that feels right.
Thank God. Well, boys, I came to my friend Isaac's house today to change my oil, and I forgot the oil drain pan. Luckily, he has one we can use. He's got this little dog bowl thing.
It spills more out the sides than it does out the pour mouth, so
hopefully
we're gonna have fun.
Will that hold 6 quarts? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
It should.
6, yeah.
It'll just barely hold the oil. So today we're gonna be replacing the mass airflow sensor and changing the oil. I figured I would just go ahead and do it all at once and just do like one big service day, because that's why my check engine light is on. It came on when I was on my way back from Wasted Space and I thought I was screwed, but it's just the mass airflow sensor is like sending a bad signal through the wiring harness, and the computer's like, there's no air, and I'm like, you're naturally aspirated, you'll be fine. I guess we're gonna start with the sensor.
Okay.
Is that cool with you? I didn't even ask him if I could vlog. I was just like, I'm going to Isaac's house. I'm bringing the camera. Yeah. One thing to note, a lot of you guys have asked me about the GT350 bumper swap. I will say, if you do it, make sure you cut a little thing right here on the bumper, because that little lever will get stuck underneath your bumper if you don't cut that. So I know some dudes have had their bumper come with this already cut out, but if yours isn't, make sure you cut it. We're replacing this little guy right here. So we're gonna get this unplugged, pop it out, get a whatever that is, and pull the mass airflow sensor out. Isaac, I can't get this off. Can you hold the camera for me?
So you pull that out and then you push that down. All right, we're not present. That says no air.
Sheesh. All right, so I went to AutoZone and spent a ridiculous amount of money for this little guy right here. And there it is, brand new mass airflow sensor. So now we're just gonna put it back on there and start it up, clear the code. Hopefully it'll stop. It might not be labeled, so what you can do is look at your stock one. The air flows this way. You can see how it says flow. If it doesn't focus, just trust me, it says flow on there. There we go. What the heck? Why won't this go on here?
Something's not happening. You don't look wrong. Get on there.
A 5-minute job can turn into a 3-hour dilemma.
Yeah.
Real quick.
What is going on here?
Alright, so we got the new mass airflow sensor on there. Basically, the little pin was just like misaligned slightly, so we just bent it into place and now we got it plugged in. So now we're gonna clear the code and hopefully it won't come back.
This man is jacked. Look at that. Hanging out with Taylor's paying off.
Dude, honestly, the workout he put me through, I'm dead.
I don't think I'd survive.
This like actually hurts.
Do you want me to do it?
No, I'm good. I'm good. I'm tough.
Tough. T-U-F-F.
Yeah, T-U-F-F, bro.
Tough. He's failed doing an oil change without getting oil on your hands.
Yeah.
Yep, there it is.
This one has really long threads. I like the ones that have shorter threads because you can just kind of spin it right to the end and then just kind of pop it right out. But this one tends to drip quite a bit. Not so bad. It's not running down my arm.
Could be worse.
Yeah.
It's a fountain.
Yeah, dude. It's chocolate mousse.
Chalky milk.
Chalky milk right there, yeah.
Yeah, so my other drain pan was like the kind that collects it inside.
Yeah, I have that one too. Should I get rid of it?
Well, the middle of it is hot, is like at a higher, or I don't know, it's hard to explain, but it overfilled the sides before it went into the hole that it's supposed to drain into.
Oh god, that's disgusting.
And I wasn't really paying attention, so it just spilled probably a quart of oil.
It has a little airflow thing.
Oh, it was open.
It was open? It just didn't...
It doesn't shut.
That sucks.
Yeah, that was bad.
I think I'm actually going to do like a oil filter relocation thing, and then have an oil cooler too, so that'll be kind of cool.
Like right there?
Yeah, I think I'm going to mount it up here in front of one of these like vents on my GT350 bumper.
Ooh. Yeah, I think that'd be a better spot for it than down low.
Yeah,
I probably wouldn't put an oil filter anywhere near.
Oh no, not the filter.
Okay.
I'll keep the filter up high, so I'm probably mounted on the frame rail back here.
Oh, that'd be an interesting spot.
Also, look at this wiring harness for my turn signals, dude. Pretty soon, I'll be pulling this whole bumper off and redoing this with new lights that I have coming. I figured out a way that I can retrofit S550 lights onto here. I am going to be making a video about the wiring harness. A lot of you guys requested a wiring harness video, and I ended up not making it because it's all going to get redone. These lights that are on here were like a cool initial idea, but they're just Amazon cheap crap, and I'm gonna make it a lot better. So if you're one of the people that is thinking about getting a GT350 bumper, but you're worried about the lights and the wiring, just hold out a little longer, because I got you. There's actually stuff on the way, like right now. I just spent all my money. It's beautiful.
It's the best way to spend your money.
Exactly.
All of it.
All of it. On a car.
On a car.
Yep. Got that new filter on. Looking good. Also, our drain plug is tightened. Make sure you don't forget to put the drain plug back in.
Just like, oh.
Shit.
Everything reminds me of her. You put the drain plug back in, right?
Yes. Yes, I even made a video clip about that. Like, make sure you don't forget. Okay, so when I was on my way back from Isaac's house last night, the check engine light for the mass airflow sensor actually went off. So today I was gonna make a video about how to clear the code, but I didn't actually need to, because after like 20 or 30 miles of driving, it actually just kind of reset itself. So it appears as though replacing the mass airflow sensor fixed the problem that I was having, which I'm really glad. I was worried that maybe it was some other underlying issue and I was gonna have to dive deeper, but at least as far as I can tell so far, all the problems are fixed. The Mustang has fresh oil, so she's running good. Thankfully, I definitely needed to do that because I've been going up and down from Portland like non-stop this summer. So the Mustang in good shape, and it's ready for the next stage, and I'm almost ready to get it back in the garage and get some work done on it finally. Some of you guys may have seen in the video, oh yeah, say hi, Colby.
Hi.
Some of you guys may have seen in the video that I have these bucket seats here. I decided that if you made it this far in the video, I was just gonna go ahead and show them to you, because these have been put on the back burner for so long, and it's actually not because I can't install them here, but it's because I'm just waiting on the brackets. So I ordered these seats like probably almost 2 months ago now. I think it was about 6 or 7 weeks. It was before I went to Hawaii and everything like that. And then I got the seats here probably about a week or so after I ordered them. But I ordered the brackets at the same time, and the brackets are just taking forever to get here. So I called American Muscle, of course. I had to go through them because nobody else had the brackets in stock. And American Muscle was like, oh yeah, they come direct from Corbeau. And I don't know why they're taking so long. They told me that they were gonna ship them to me on like July 26th, and that's like still 3 days from now. So I do have bucket seats for the Mustang coming. I guess if you stayed to the end of the video, you guys get the little spoiler, but I was getting frustrated because I was like, I want to show this mod on the channel, and it's kind of annoying that everyone's like, how come you haven't done anything in a while? And it's like, well, I can't, you know. So these are gonna go along with the new exterior pieces that are going on with the car, and so the whole kind of inside and outside is getting a bit of a makeover. And there is more stuff coming for the inside, but I haven't showed everything because, you know, I can't just give it all away. But I hope you guys are looking forward to this install. I think it'll be pretty fun. For my birthday, I went ahead and bought myself a Nintendo Switch because I've been wanting to play Mario Kart for so long, and so I can finally play Mario Kart. You already know I had to get Mario Kart. Some of you guys were telling me on Instagram that I need to play Smash or whatever, but I'm like, one day I'll get Smash, but not until I have just completely played all the way through Mario Kart 8, especially because Mario Kart 8 has 200cc, whereas like Mario Kart Wii, which is the last Mario Kart game that I played, only had 150, and then it had mirror, and so Mario Kart Wii has 150cc and mirror and 200cc, so I was like, oh dang, that's gonna be my weakness. I have to play Mario Kart Wii. Or not Mario Kart Wii, sorry. I'm distracted, I'm trying to plug it in. I have to play Mario Kart 8. And so for the last couple days I've been playing a lot of Mario Kart, and tonight is no exception because we got 100cc to get through. Right, Colby?
Hell yeah.
Yeah! But, you know, before we can play Mario Kart 8, I need to finish editing today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, make sure you leave a like down below. Consider subscribing for more car content because the Mustang is coming back. It's coming back strong, and I hope you guys are looking forward to it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out and dream big.